drop against each other. It is the relative motion. Light absorbed by chemical substance. It is directly proportional to Cp, where A is the absorption solution, C for concentrated solution, and T for a thickness.
Then in elastic set, if energy or frequency or wavelength of incident beam and scatter beam are different, then monochromatic light is passed through experimental liquid like benzene, toluene. It hits on molecule and it will scattered, which have a high frequency or lower frequency. These lines are called Raman lines, and this Raman lines makes a spectra, which is Raman spectra. This effect is a Raman effect. Is same, then it is called a Rayleigh line. And if the frequency of scatter beam and incident beam,
it is also used to assess enzymes and their substrate. It is also used in a quantity. There are some advantages and disadvantages. It is used to a double beam of radiation as passed simultaneously from a sample solution. Therefore, fluctuating voltage can be compensated. Compensated means cancelled.
Neon, magnesium, helium, iron, nitrogen, calcium, oxygen, sulfur, silicon and other elements. In this, hydrogen is a 70% and helium is a 28% and other elements is a 2%. Sun generates its energy in the form of nuclear fusion process. We know that two types of nuclear process. One is fission process and second is a fusion process. And the sun energy is emitted by the process of fusion, radiative zone and convection zone. So we will start about the core. This is the core. The core is the innermost 10% of a sun mass. This is the center of the sun. कोर जो है वो सन के सबसे पास है, इस वजह से कोर का टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई है और प्रेशर भी बहुत हाई है. The sun core is about 16 million Kelvin. Its density around 160 times the density of water. This is over 20 times denser than the dense metal iron. There is a no molten rock like that found in the interior of the earth. मतलब अर्थ में जैसे हमें मोल्टन रॉक्स मिलते हैं, वैसे सन के कोर में हमें मोल्टन रॉक्स नहीं मिलते. मोल्टन रॉक्स यानी कि चट्टानें. Radiative zone includes the inner approximately 85% of the sun radius. Now the last is the convection zone. The convection zone surrounds the radiative zone. It is the outermost layer of interior. It is cooler and less dense than the radiative zone. In 6000 Kelvin, यानी कि सन का टेम्परेचर बढ़ते बढ़ते कम होता है एक पॉइंट पे. Surface of sun. The surface of sun has three types: photosphere, chromosphere and corona. Now we will start photosphere. Photosphere means light sphere. हमें जो लाइट दिखती है वही फोटोस्फीयर है. The photosphere is about 500 kilometer thick. Photosphere has a temperature about 5840